Let's take a look at building a histogram for probability distribution using Google Sheets. Problem we're going to take a look at is this one here. We got these age ranges, 10, 19, 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49, and the corresponding percents. Okay, so let's first put this over here, 10 and 19. And I'm going to put my lower class limits here. So I got 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'll put my upper class limits next. Lower class limits the smallest part of the range of values in the class. And then the upper class limits larger. So I got 19, 29, 39, 49. And I need my midpoints. And probably easiest way to find the midpoints with the Google Sheets is to add these two together and divide by 2. So when I put this in, I have to do an equals, beginning parentheses, because we have to add first. A2 plus B2, closing parentheses, divided by 2. There's a couple of different formulas for the midpoint, but this is the one that works best for this technology. Again, you have to have it exactly as you see it here. Equals, beginning parentheses, this value, plus this value, close parentheses, divided by 2. Now that I've done that, I can click this first one here, put my mouse in the bottom right-hand corner, it becomes a black plus. Click and hold down and drag, and that'll do all my midpoints. Okay, I also need my percent. I got 20%, 40%. Wait a minute. I'm thinking wrong. 33.1%. Oops. $41.3. 10.2. 15.4. Okay, so notice this one got rid of my decimals. Okay, so 41.3. I click this button, bring them back. I'm going to highlight all of them. I only want one decimal place. So choose this one, decrease them. There we go. Okay, now there's different ways you can do this. Now, by the way, this doesn't have to be percents. It could be in probability form. This could be 0.331, 0.413, 0.102, 0.154. It's the same principle. If you highlight both of these columns, I held down my left mouse button on C2 and dragged it down over here, highlighted them. There's an insert, and then there's a chart. Comes up with this. Now I can click here and kind of scroll that down a little bit so I can see my original data. Part of the problem is the data says it's from C2 to D5. Well, if I come in here in this data range and want to type D2 to D5, I could just type D here, and that'd be good. Or I can click this box over here to select data range. And this box comes up, and I want to change this, so I just click in the D2 and drag down to D5, and then click OK. Gives us this right here. Now we're closer. Down here you see there's add x-axis. That's this bottom. So if I click add x-axis and choose a range, I can click C2 and hold down my left mouse button, drag, and it becomes just C5. Click OK. And now you see these are across the bottom. Those are our midpoints. So those label them. Let's see. If I go to customize, I have to play with this a little bit to see where it's at. Horizontal axis, vertical axis. Grid lines. I'm trying to think if there's anything else you need to do here. There's lots of different options. Series, left axis. Data labels. That might be nice. You put that there. You can tell it to position above, outside end, like that. Legend. I could spend a lot of time going over all of these, but I think those are probably the important ones. Having these labeled on the side. Even more than that, having each one of these labeled so you can see exactly what the value is. And then your midpoints underneath. And that's how to create a histogram for probability distribution in Google Sheets.